We need a microphone, man.
That's why I came here. Check it out. They rent mics all the time. We wait till they lock up, you break in and go through the window.
That's a good idea. Establishing shot of the ashtray. Air conditioning vent.
What is he doing?
ECU on Cool Man V's cool face.
Hey,
What?
what are you doing?
ECU, extreme close-up.
Don't. You're pissing me off.
Ooh, Rico, very angry. Hey, you guys, check it out. Old Gook Man just strolling by.
Dylan.
Hey, Gook, what up? Yay! Not interested. Oh! Hey, you old fart! Come on, man. You want a piece of me? You want a piece of me, you old fart? Come on, man. Come on, you ancient fart. Come on.
That Chinese man will kick his ass.
Come on, man.
Oh shit.
He's gonna take that sword out, dude. What are you doing? He's gonna
No.
take his sword out.
No, he's gonna show us his ass.
No.
Yeah, look. Go ahead, do it, old man.
Oh, man. I'd rather fight.
Oh, you think that's funny?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I can't stop the car. I can't stop the car, old man. I mean,
Run, old man, run.
There you go. What?
now that's what I call a chase scene. Hey, you know what? He could be our sound man.
Hey,
He's got the pole.
that's a great idea.
Hey, old man, get in the back. We're gonna hire you right now. You want a job?
Hey, dude, they hired me. You should do it.
Come on, let's go. No hard feelings, really. Come on.
But it pays pro bono, okay?
I'm sorry about that, all right, man? I'm sorry.
That is a beautiful smile.
Okay. Hey, nice ass. You work out?
Aye.